Hello everyone, it is Myra here from the Learning Club of ABS. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a poster on postermywall. So first you have to go to the website postermywall.com. Then go to templates and then choose what you have to make. So I want to make a poster, so I'm going to choose posters. So I want to make a poster. So if you have next, you have to choose what you have to make the poster about. So my birthday is going to come up, so I want to make a poster about my birthday. So I'm going to write birthday and then just okay. So I like this one and this one. Okay, you guys choose in the comment section below which one I should choose. The left one or the right one? Okay, actually I don't want any of them. I like this one. By the way, I'm going to turn down the sound. So it already has a background. If I want to change it, I can do that. But it's a pretty good background, so I don't want to change it. I do not want this circle or anything, something. I'm going to delete everything. I'm going to make it on my own. Okay, so I have all just this background. Now I want to put a photo of myself. So I'm going to go to add from my photos. You can add from stock photo, add from Facebook, Google Drive, or Dropbox. But I want to add it from my photos. Okay, I already have a photo of myself. If you don't have a photo of yourself, so you can just go to upload photos and upload a photo of yourself or the person you're gonna make the poster for. So I like this one. So yeah, I'm gonna choose that one. This is a photo of me in my old house. But we just moved in September, so it's not really an old photo. So I put this photo over here. Now maybe I'm going to add a cloud or a heart or something here in which I can write about myself or anything. I'm going to go to clipboard and choose shape. So you can choose any shape. You don't find the shape you're looking for, you can just search. So for for example, you can find a circle, you can write circle. And here you go, all kinds of circles. So I want to choose a heart. This one's nice. And I'm going to click on add shape. Okay, I've got a heart. I'm going to keep it over here. I want to make it a little more bigger. So I'm going to bigger. Okay, I want to change the color of this. I don't really like the color of this. I actually like purplish, bluish. I really like space colors, just space. So I'm going to go to the blue color and pick some purple. Okay, I like this one. Okay. Now, if I want to put any shadows on that, like I don't really put shadows, but look at this. You can put a light shadow. It didn't really show to me, but it is coming over here a little bit. If you want a dark shadow, you can, or a strong shadow, you can press the button underneath light shadow. So, yeah, look. I don't know if you guys can see the shadow. I can. Or custom shadow. I don't really know how that works, but it's okay. So, I want no shadow. So we're going to do a shadow. So let's see if I want a glow. Maybe a light glow. No, that isn't it. I want a strong glow. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, I want the glow to be a little black, so the color, change the color to black. So yeah, okay guys, so I've already done all of this. Now I want to write inside them. So how am I supposed to do that? Like I'm clicking, but why isn't it happening? The answer to this is because you have to go to text, and maybe if you want to add a plain text, you can put a plain text, but I want to add a fancy text. So I'm going to go to fancy text. So I really like this frozen one. I can change the color, but I like this one, so I'm going to take this one. I can choose a font. Okay, so you might not know, but I really like this font. Okay, so you have your font and effect ready. So now you have to write what you wanted to write. So I have already choose what I want to write. So I want to write, suppose like your, suppose my younger sister I know is writing this for me. So she usually writes like this. So I don't really remember the right word, so I'm just gonna paste it. Okay, I guess you can't paste. So she goes like this. U R D. You always help me. Sorry, my edges not working, so I have to correct the spelling always. I always have to correct the spellings. Okay. So we can choose the text shape also. So actually guys, I don't really want to choose the fancy text. I'm just going to close this. Because you can't even paste or do anything usually. And I'm not even able to do it usually. So I'm going to just go with the plain text. So this works. So you put where you want to put the text. Like I want to put it here. So I will change the font. As I told you earlier, I really like this font. It's okay, so I wanted So I want you to write actually why did I write lucky day? I didn't really want to write lucky day. It is your special day. Because it is your birthday. Okay, this is too big, so I'm just going to make it a little smaller. I'm unable to move it. Okay. So I'm unable to move it. Okay. Just gonna do this. Okay, I finally figured out how to do this. And now that I can do this, I need to make my heart a little bit bigger. Because my heart is very big. Okay. I really want to write, so I can change the color by just copy all of it, and then right here on this side you can see that it is written color, and you can choose it by tapping on this color over here. So you can change the color like this color. So I like red or pinkish. I'm gonna take red and take a very big red. Not a big red. Okay, so it's all red. So I don't really have my X doesn't work, so gotta copy it from here. Okay, I've written everything. Okay, I've written it, all of it. Now, like, suppose I want to put a photo. Like, I've already put a photo. So, I want to add some audio, so I'm just going to. Actually, I can't do it because because you have to pay for it. But whoever made this already had paid for it, and but I can't add any more of them. I can't really see. Even if I do clip from any of these, I have to pay for it, so I don't want to do that. So I want to. So in this poster, whoever made this poster before before me added some audio. So if I delete this audio, I might never be able to um, put it back again. I mean, I would be able to, but I have to just delete all of this and everything and do all of this tutorial again. So I'm not gonna do anything. Okay, so then you want to maybe like, okay, there's nothing else to do right now. So this is just what I want to do right now. So I will just, okay, so if I just leave the site, like, done. So this might come. So you have to do cancel and save the poster, or else it will be deleted forever. So I don't want that, so I'm gonna download it. Okay, download this. Downloading it takes less than a minute, so I like that it'll take like 100 minutes. Okay, today is working a little slow, I don't know why. Usually it's just like, whoop. Oh, okay, it's almost done. Come on. You stopped at the very end. It's almost to the end and just stopped. Okay, I'm not able to do it, so I'm going to do it again. So I download it again. You want to publish it, you can publish it too, but I don't want to publish it, I want to download it. It's not there again. Well, I think it's, oh yeah, it's already out. So I've done this. For some reason I'm not able to download it, but you will be able to download it. You just have to press this button or save and just download it. Like I did. I press download, and here there's another button. It's written download, so just have to press that again. And yeah. So this is the end of my tutorial of how to make a poster on postermywall. So bye, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the notifications so you never miss another video or tutorial I make. Bye.